This don't look good. It don't look good at all. And I know that there are a lot of Jamaicans that are going to disagree with these numbers or this finding, but I beg them to bring better proof. Now, an article was printed recently where the article says that Jamaica has the second highest rate of femicide in the world. Do you know what femicide is? Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. Let's get right into this one because it's not safe out there. It's not safe. So, the article says that Jamaica has the second highest rate of femicide in the world. Femicide, people. Femicide is the killing of a woman or a girl. So our female species, we are killing out our female species at the second highest rate globally. The killing of a woman or a girl, in particularly by a man and on an account of her gender. According to the United Nations data from last year. So y'all wondering where I'm getting this information from. This is according to the United Nations data from 2019. The Jamaica Constabulary Force reports an average murder rate for women at 13 per 100,000 females. So out of every 100,000 female them line up, 13 will probably get murdered. Or a little higher. Jamaica has the second highest rate of femicide in the world. Damn. 35% of Jamaican women, it is estimated that 35% have experienced intimate partner violence in their lifetime. In other words, 35% of those who have participated in a relationship, a heterosexual relationship, so them have a man, she has a boyfriend, she has a lover that is male, she is in a relationship, and this man starts to abuse her, beat her, chop her, cut her, shoot her, and eventually kill her. 35% of Jamaican women have experienced inmate or intimate, well, I should say inmate because they should become inmates after, intimate partner violence in their lifetime. I'm willing to go out on a limb and say that the number is probably even higher than 35%. Worldwide, many of the victims of femicide are killed by their current or their former partners, but they are also killed by their fathers, get this, their brothers, their mothers, their sisters, and other family members because of their role and their status as women. This was said by the UNODC, that is the United Nations Office of Drugs and Crime. This is their information being released to the public. These killings, it added, do not usually result from random or spontaneous acts, rather from the culmination of prior gender-based violence. Jealousy and fear of abandonment are among the number one motives. So it seems like gone are the days when we actually really cared about our women. And I keep on saying this because I am in shock. I'm still in shock. And it's a shock that lasts for a while. Because I am not old. And I can still remember the days when we actually cared. Badman never even used to go after females. Not unless she was deeply entrenched in something. Even the phrase, you can't catch Quack or catch him shot, we would not apply that to women and children. Can't catch Quack or catch him shot, meaning you was going to catch somebody else that was male. more than likely somebody else that was involved in some kind of a way with that life, supported that life if they were not actively involved in it, or knew about the lifestyle that the person lived and still supported it. So you can't catch Quacker, you catch him shut. But there was a reverence at one point in our history for the lives of our women and our children. We have changed. Culturally, we have changed. Men have put themselves now ahead of women and children. Men have seemed to become the aggressors and the ones who are perpetuating the violence onto the women and children in large numbers, to the point where the world is paying attention and the world is saying, damn, look at how they're doing their women and their children. It looks crazy from the outside looking in. But imagine what those are on the inside dealing with. Imagine those who have to live through these traumatic events that seem to be happening on a daily basis. So this is where we're at. Not only do we have one of the highest murder rates in the world per capita, but we are now second highest rate for femicide. And like I said in the beginning of the video, femicide is the killing of a woman or a girl, in particular by a man and on account of her gender. We keep on asking the same question, you know. When you kill off all the women and the girls, what are you suggesting? Because if no woman no left for them out, I guess the 5 women that are left, all of us men are going to fight over them. What realistic picture are you painting for us to see? Because if I look at this through the lens that allows me to see the future, it does not look pretty. A present or a future without women is not going to be pretty and won't last long. I will urge my Jamaican brothers to get some wits and some control about yourself, especially when it comes to dealing with the woman, especially when it comes to dealing with females on a whole. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Let's have this conversation some more. Is your perception of Jamaican men one of violent creatures, or are you one of the people who can say, no, those are just a few bad apples, but I know many Jamaican men that are loving and caring and protectors and providers. Talk up, vouch for them, or tell the truth if you've had the bad experience. Hey, majority of them that I have ran into, besides my father, are scum of the earth, or blah, blah, blah. Leave your comments. Be honest and let's talk about it. It's SouFLoTV and I'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the thumbs up button just to say you appreciate the effort, the work. I'm out. Peace.